Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to another vlog. If this is the first time you are seeing me, my name is Amy Thonia. Feel free to call me Amy. Yeah, so thanks for coming. So how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to another vlog. I have just come back from dropping Michael and Martins at school. Now the twins are about to go in theirs as well. It's about 20 minutes past 8 already, so they will soon be late. Some days are like that here. So hubby is around and hubby will be doing that. So whenever he's around, that's how we do it as well. He'll be taking them to school while I go on with tidying up the house and doing other things. So welcome to another vlog, guys. And today as well, Michael Martins has a doctor's appointment. So I'm going to be carrying you guys as long as well. So welcome to another vlog, guys. I'm in the children's room. You can see that paper that is there. That's their room. I don't know about you guys, but see, almost everywhere in my house here is a written rule. Yes, that's how I call them to order. I remind them of every action to take. I don't know about you guys. If you do it in a different way, please let me know at the comment section, okay? So that one up there is them. I think that's Martins. That's Martins that jotted those rules down. We have rules almost everywhere in this house, guys. So that's how I do it. On the meantime, welcome and please do stay and enjoy. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Support my channel, share my videos, and I love and appreciate you guys, okay? Welcome. It's already 30. What is remaining? I mean,
yeah, what is the effort?
What do you mean, what's my effort?
What is the effort?
What is remaining? Amore, salute la mama now. Yeah.
Achia.
Ciao. Me le comando, ok? Vai bravo.
Okay, let go yourself.
Sweetheart, you ain't any more batching, Abi?
Papa,
Bye.
You have your barriers high, 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. You know that I see you, and I still want you.
Yeah, he does it, Dorothy. You don't go.
I don't understand.
What do you mean I won't understand? I am the person who understands you more than everybody. It's only me. It's only me. Okay, they say like this. I am the one seeing all of them. So that is it. Sister Thomas say maybe this thing. So what do you think? Can it not be faced back?
Hey, check if you see it back. No problem. You can stay get fixed here.
Please, let's fix it back. But for the meantime, Monica may walk here so that it will not fall on them. Because it's kind of like balanced before. But
I don't want to my stop pinches. Here now.
yeah.
Yeah, from my gas and you want to shine.
And even here, another kind of another hole where that this thing will enter.
Oh. You may say picture. I can't ferment hanging here. Say what to shine back.
I want to sleep.
Make it a minute. Make it fuck me.
So what is it? Put
And then I can't come now after fine.
Uncle do and so. Nonsense. It's not possible to phone and possible to drink water, I'm not my business. Drink water, I'm not my business. That's right.
If I go on, and I will have and I don't matter.
Oh my goodness. Which one is that?
I know.
Okay.
Hi guys. So you may be wondering where we are now. I went to Martin's school this morning. I filled his booklet for notice if you want to send any notice to the school this morning. So I filled it and just to notify the school that I'll be coming to pick him on time this morning, today. So because he has a doctor visit this morning, this is about 10:20 something now. So I'm already picking him up and we're already on our way. Daddy is here, Martins is here, and I'm here as well. So Martins, you want to say hi?
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. And then you made me to wait more because I wanted us to be on our way by 10 o'clock. I came there on time to pick up Martins because that booklet, why they do it like that is that you have to, notify the school on time so that they can sign it and then tear a part of it for the one for the school, and then they give you the other one, which automatically certify that they are approved of you coming to pick the child earlier before the closing time. So on getting to that place now, we had to wait. I asked Martins, where is your booklet? He said it's in the secretary's office. And the teacher even told me that I should go to the secretary's office and take the booklet, not knowing that they have already given it to Martins and it is already in Martins' bag. But I had to spend like about 15 minutes waiting for them there, and the secretary, they were like scattering everywhere looking for Martins' booklets, and at the end Martins now remember that he has it in his booklet. Can you imagine Martins? Vedi te? Come mi hai fatto perdere tempo per niente? Lo so. Hai capito adesso? Martins, hai capito come ti ho spiegato adesso incinta? Cosa è?
È quello che Michael era nella pancia io.
Il tuo pancia o il mio pancia?
Tu.
Beh.
Yeah.
È come te, perché sei venuta dopo Michael. Vuol dire incinta, vuol dire una donna che è in gravidanza, hai capito? Gravidanza, sai cosa è? Gravidanza è avere un bambino, avere un neonato o un bambino dentro la pancia, un bambino, una bambina qualsiasi, ma c'è un bambino piccolino dentro la pancia, quindi vuol dire...
È uguale come te.
Come me, in che senso? Io non sono incinta.
No. Quando eri piccola.
Sì, io, no, non io che ero incinta, vuol dire che mia mamma era incinta. Io ero nella sua pancia.
E come avete fatto a uscire?
Sì, quello è un'altra storia, Matis. Quando diventerai un pochino più grande, allora parleremo di quello.
Ma dai!
Sì, allora aspetta che ti dico. Allora, una donna resta incinta perché con un bambino o una bambina dentro la pancia, e quella bambina si mantiene con il nutriente che si mangia in bocca da quella mamma che è incinta, ok? Ecco perché quando una mamma o una donna è incinta bisogna mantenere bene il suo salute, mangiare sano, prendere cura di te stesso, hai capito? E dopo 9 mesi, sì, dopo 9 mesi lei va all'ospedale e si esce un bambino, ok? Ma comunque adesso tu lo sai già cosa vuoi essere incinta, è vero? Ok, sì, è così. Quando ero incinta di Michael, questa strada noi lo correvamo sempre, perché avevo sempre appuntamento qua, l'esame qua, tutto quello è sempre qua, l'ecografia per far vedere come sta Michael dentro il mio pancia, era sempre a questo l'ospedale che stiamo andando adesso, ok? Hai capito? Sì, sì. Martins, wear your cap, let's go. We're already here. See that, don't be a stubborn boy.
Oh God.
Don't be a stubborn boy, be a good boy. Can you not show?
the
Masquerade
blame
and waiting here for reserve. You have finished it. Eh? You just run out of the house. Bah! You will not even carry any masquerade. You will just be going. Let's go.
Just leave me alone.
Hi guys, so we just arrived here now and we are just going to come down from the car and move on, but we just got here right now, okay? Va bene. Aspettiamo qui. Ciao. Matis, non saluti? Sedo. That's what I understood that day. No. Are you okay? Are you scared?
You have your barriers high, 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me, don't wanna be let down. Fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we.
So we are done. We just finished right now with Martin's appointment, and we are rushing home because it's almost time to go and pick Michael from school. So this is after 12 now. Sister, how many minutes?
At 5 after 12.
Okay, about 5 minutes past 12. So luckily we were able to round up on time. So we are heading home. Everything went well. We thank God. See you guys later. Hi guys. So we just got back now from the appointment, and Hobby has left to go and pick Michael up from school, and I have already put a pot of water on the fire. I'm going to start making lunch now, and I'm as well going to end this vlog right here. If you have watched me this far, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you. Please do wait to subscribe and turn on the post notification for more videos, and see you guys on my next upload. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao. Bye.